y'all! Want to know super cool parts of computers? Come with me.
So welcome to the Computerland. Here everything is magical and adventurous. And today we are going to explore different parts of a computer system.
Wow, Ria Madam. What's so special about computers? Are they like superheroes?
Absolutely, Bunny. Every part of computer system is just like a superhero. They have immense potential. Ready to explore?
Let's go!
So this is monitor. It acts like a magical window. Whatever you write or play, it appears over here.
Hi, monitor. So you show everything we do, right?
Exactly. The games, images, and the text that you write, everything appears over here. It's just like a magical TV screen. Welcome to the keyboard kingdom. It has buttons, which is called keys, and there are 104 keys in the keyboard.
Whoa! That's like a treasure chest of letters and symbols.
Yeah, these keys are actually used to talk to computer. You can write a word, write a sentence, and even a story using these keys. Isn't that cool? And Barney, this is the CPU. Just like your brain tells your body how to move, how to walk and dance, same way CPU tells all other parts of computer system how to work. That's why it is called the brain of computer. Now look at this friendly mouse. It is used to point, select and scroll through the pages.
Oh, it's so cute. But why does it have buttons?
Great question, Barney. So, this mouse has two buttons. The left button is used to select things and right button gives you extra option. So, it acts like a sidekick for the computer system.
That's so cool. But what about all the different types of mouse?
Nice question, Bunny. So, this is a two-button mouse which is having left and right button. And this is a scroll mouse which is having a scroll button in between left and right button. Using the scroll button, you can move from one page to another page. The scroll mouse is also of two types. This one is a ball mouse where there is a ball underneath the mouse which helps in movement of mouse pointer. Another one is an optical mouse where in place of ball we use light. And Barney, this is our printer. It is used to put life into computer's creation.
It's like magic. Can it print anything?
Yes, it prints stories, pictures and images. Whatever you print on a page using printer is called hard copy. Now welcome to the sound party in Computerland. This is a microphone. It is used to record your voice and even you can talk to your friends using it.
Hello, everyone.
Great job, Barney. And this is speaker. It is used to listen to the sound and music in your computer system. And this one is a headphone which is used to listen to music or any conversation privately.
Great! So I won't disturb anyone when I listen to my favorite bunny songs. What's this shiny disc?
Well, it is a CD and it can be used to save a lot of information. Also, every computer have a hard disk inside it to save data privately.
And what about this little thing?
Bunny, this is a pen drive. It acts like a magical suitcase of data and you can carry it anywhere, okay?
I didn't know computers could be so cool. Thanks, Ria Madam.
You're welcome, Bunny. So children, if you like the video, hit the like button, subscribe the channel to get more videos like this, and we will meet in the next video. Till then, bye-bye. Have a nice day. Sayonara.